Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to add header or footer in Excel sheet. So, to add header or footer in Excel sheet, first of all, go in View tab, click here and select from here Page Layout. Click on it and you can see the page layout is showing here. Now you can see the click to add header option is visible. You can add header from here or you can go in Insert tab and here you can see header and footer. Click on here and you can see three sections have appear here in which you can add page number, you can add text or you can add picture. So I am adding here page number. To add page number, here you can see there are option of page number. Click on this and the code of page number is added by Excel. Excel does not show directly the page number, it will add its code, and if you will click anywhere on the sheet and you can see the page numbers are shown. Similarly, again go here and you can add the text. For example, I am adding here how to tech. So again I enter anywhere in the text and you can see if I will go down that the text is appear how to tech. So this is how you can add header. Similarly, if you want to add footer in the sheet, go down and here you can see the footer option and here you can see three sections have appear here. You can add whatever your footer, you can add reference or anything here in this footer. You can add footer to these options as we have entered the header. So this is how you can add header and footer in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.